The plant hormone that helps in growth of plant stem is called gibberellin, not a plant hormone, adrenaline. Plant hormones are invertebrate, gibberellin and birdseed dormancy, are a group of chemicals that influences cell division and shoot function. Cytokinin, a process that stops interbreeding, is called abscission. The plant hormone that regulates growth, particularly by stimulating cell elongation in stem, is called auxin. In tree plant, after fertilization, the ovary changes into fruit. The producing seed producing plant is called potato. When bees and butterflies sit on flower, they directly help us in process of pollination. The male reproductive part of plant is called stamen. Inbreeding depression is caused mainly due to self-pollinated crops. The crop which is usually self-cross-pollinated is called sorghum. Sensor method of dispersing seed is found in poppy. After fertilization, the future of this part of flower, stamens, style, stigma, petal, pupils, they shed off except sepal, which may be persistent in some plants. After fertilization in plant, the ovules get converted into seed. A type of asexual reproduction which involves reproduction through part of plant such as root, stem and leaves is called vegetative reproduction. In Bryophyllum plant, buds are produced in notches along the leaf margin. Not a pollinating agent for cross-pollination plant. The group of crop plant that are vegetatively reproduced is called sugarcane, potato and banana. The part of plant that are specialized to reproduce asexually in a runner is called a stem. The onset or recovery of normal development by a latent or dormant embryo is called germination. The transfer of pollen from anthers of one plant to stigma of another plant is called pollination. Through tissue culture method, plant can be grown from single parent plant in disease-free condition. Plant that does not grow by vegetative propagation are called papaya. The seed of a plant consists of embryo of next plant. The reproduction in which branch of plant start to grow separately is called vegetative reproduction. Asexual reproduction occurs in underdeveloped plants and animals. Pollen grains are produced by anther. Pollination is followed by fertilization. Roses reproduce through a stem of plant present in carpus ovule, not a mode of asexual reproduction, cross fertilization. Pollination by wind is called anemophily. Pollination is transmission of pollen from anther to stigma. By leaves part, Bryophyllum can reproduce. The process of pollination by bud is known as ornithophy. The process that stops inbreeding is called isolation. Usual reproductive part of plant, flower. Typically one cell reproductive unit capable to giving rise to new jewel without sexual fusion, spore.